Hands-on review. Sony WF-C710N True wireless earbuds, energetic sound, effective noise cancellation, and longer battery life. Right out of the box, the Sony WF-C710N impresses with its minimalist yet sophisticated packaging. The predominantly white box features a prominent Sony logo on top, giving a subtle hint of the quality inside. Holding the box feels light but sturdy, reflecting the brand's attention to detail. Inside, you'll find a USB-C charging cable, 3 sets of ear tips in different sizes, and a quick start guide, all neatly arranged for convenience. The multiple ear tip sizes are a big plus, allowing users to choose the most comfortable fit for extended wear. The design of the WF-C710N earbuds and their charging case is distinctly modern and minimalistic, a true Sony signature. The charging case is remarkably compact and slim, arguably one of the lightest and thinnest I've used. Its matte finish prevents fingerprints and dust buildup, making it comfortable to hold and easy to carry in a backpack or pocket. The LED battery indicator on the front offers clear charging status, and the lid's strong magnetic closure keeps the earbuds securely in place without wobbling during movement. Each earbud features a smooth, rounded shape with a compact housing that fits snugly in the ear. Weighing only about 4.7 grams per side, they feel barely there, perfect for walking, jogging, or working at your desk for hours. As someone sensitive to bulky and ear designs, I found the WF-C710N's lightweight and ergonomic shape very comfortable, allowing continuous wear without discomfort. The earbuds' premium matte plastic casing also resists sweat and fingerprints well. A thoughtful upgrade from the previous generation is the touch-sensitive control surface with a subtle concave design, which helps prevent finger slips during use, especially when hands are slightly damp. An essential feature at this price point is the IPX4 water resistance rating, meaning these earbuds can withstand sweat and light rain. Ideal for gym sessions or outdoor walks without worry. Not all wireless earbuds under $100 offer this level of protection, so it's a definite plus. The most surprising aspect is the active noise cancellation ANC capability. For under $100, the WF-C710N delivers impressive noise suppression, thanks to Sony's inclusion of 2 microphones per earbud dedicated to noise control. Whether in a noisy cafe, on a crowded bus, or a bustling office, the earbuds effectively reduce ambient sounds. Additionally, the ambient sound mode allows users to stay aware of surrounding noises, such as announcements or traffic, enhancing safety and convenience. Connectivity is handled via Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring a stable connection with minimal latency, perfect for watching videos or gaming. Compatibility is seamless across Android and iOS devices. Sony also adds NFC support for quick one-tap pairing with compatible devices, streamlining the setup experience. The Sony Headphones Connect app further enhances usability by allowing users to customize the EQ, switch sound modes, update firmware, and monitor battery levels, features rarely found in this price range. Sound quality reflects Sony's well-known balanced and versatile audio signature. The bass is punchy and solid without overwhelming other frequencies, making EDM and pop tracks particularly enjoyable without muddiness. Mid-range frequencies are clear and natural, delivering warm and smooth vocals, especially on female voices. The treble is bright and distinct, yet never harsh, allowing for long listening sessions without ear fatigue. The WF-C710N maintains a harmonious sound profile that suits various music genres, from soft ballads to hard-hitting rock. Passive noise isolation is decent, complementing the ANC to further improve sound immersion. Sony rates the battery life at up to 8 hours, with ANC off, and about 6 hours with ANC on. The charging case adds approximately 16 more hours, bringing total playback time to around 24 hours, an improvement over the previous generation's 7.5 and 15 hours respectively. Fast charging is also supported, just 10 minutes plugged in, provides around 1 hour of listening, perfect for quick top-ups on the go. Overall, The Sony WF-C710N offers a compact, lightweight design, reliable water resistance, excellent noise cancellation, and solid sound quality at a competitive price point. It's an excellent daily driver for users seeking comfort, style, and performance without breaking the bank.